So so yeah, if you're interested to see how this villa looks, I would like you to continue watching this video. And also don't forget to subscribe, like I said on so many of my videos. Subscribe, it's free for you to subscribe, but it's not free for me to bring you this kind of content. I'm in my villa in Bali, so if you guys want to have a look around, let me finish having a shower and I'll take you guys around the villa and show you how this villa looks. And if you want me to also show you how much money it costs us to stay in this villa, you can leave a comment and I will do a breakdown of the prices and how we also got here if you're interested in that. So, but for now, I'm gonna go out and I'll take you around the villa and I'll show you how the villa looks. So yeah, just right outside of this window you can come this way. There's a swimming pool. So there's a swimming pool, but I'm gonna take you guys around. I'll take you around and show you how the entire villa looks. This is basically an outdoor bathroom. You can see how we just walked straight out of the bathroom. So we've got the pool right here. And yeah, come through. If you look through this window, it's going to show you back inside the bathroom where I was just having a shower. So I'm just about to show you how the entire villa looks. This is the kitchen, you can see. The kitchen is equipped with everything. As soon as you walk inside, you've got the kitchen on your microwave, stove. There is no dishwasher, but I don't use dishwasher anyway, so that's alright. In this room is supposed to serve like as a pantry. There's a water dispenser and a fridge. Showing you the kitchen, very nice. We've got everything, and it also comes with all these international charges. Obviously, a lot of tourists use this space. And this is the outdoor living room. So not like many countries around the world, you don't get to see a lot of outdoor living rooms. So this is where the living room is at, and on the right side here, this is where the dining room is at. Like I said, you don't get to see that in so many other countries. And with the living room sofas or chairs, have a look. This is built in, so obviously you cannot move this. This is built-in ceramic or brick. It's a very, very unique design, and I think probably Bali is one of the countries that have those kind of design. Not many countries have this kind of design, built-in, built-in sofas. So that's built into the ground, that will never be moved. I think the same as this one here. This is connected to the floor as well. That's a very beautiful, I would say, like a, just a center table. Normally you'll have those kind of design in an indoor living area, but this one is outdoor. As you can see, the pool is right there and the bedroom is there. So the bedroom is open right to the pool. So when you're inside, like you saw me when I woke up in the morning, yeah, you get to see the sunshine right at your face. Very beautiful kind of, and a very beautiful atmosphere. And during the night, you'll have a blue lights, which I will show you, that illuminates all around along this wall here, and you can see those lights. It will give you this very nice illumination during the night. Okay, let's have a look.
Wow, very nice. Look at those lights along the wall there. Very beautiful.
And there's some different garden lights you can't see during the day, only during the night, which I will also show you. So look at how beautiful the garden is. Very nice. Very nice garden. And the best thing that I would say I like about this villa is the bathroom, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. The bathroom is amazing. It's an outdoor bathroom. The weather's hot on my face, sweating. So when I was having a shower before, I showed you these windows. So these windows, if you can see, there's the shower right in there. So this goes directly, and it's actually open, so you get fresh air while you're having a shower. So that's very unique. I'll show you. So, and there is no door from the backyard. You get to go directly into the bathroom. So we've got like a big jacuzzi in here, and this door leads straight into the bedroom. That's the shower, toilet, and yeah, this big mirror, very beautiful. The vanity top, it's for obviously for two people. This kind of space is designed for couples. So you come through here, you go straight into the bedroom. This takes you straight into the bedroom. The bedroom, this is like a king size bed. Again, look at how they have designed this bed. This is built-in bed. It's a ceramic build and it's connected to the floor. So obviously you cannot move this. It's not gonna make noise regardless of what you do. So it's a very kind of stable, I would say. Yeah, so this kind of bed, it never gets moved. So yeah, I've got my stuff here. I don't know what this is, but it's not mine. So, and yeah, when you wake up in the morning, you get to see this ad area. Have a look at this door. I'm gonna open the door. Have a look. So you have a very big glass door in here. So yeah, if you are interested to know the prices for this villa, so I've booked it for 7 nights. So the price for 7 nights was 1,600 and something, so about 1,600 Australian dollars. So for 7 nights, I came to Bali about 5 years ago, and Bali was a lot cheaper than this. I've stayed in a similar villa, probably not as big as this one, but it was in a similar size, and it was a lot cheaper. It was only about $500 Australian dollars for 5 days. And this one is 7 days for 1,600. So the price is almost double. So, and it was, the location was not far. So where I'm staying right now, it's called Seminyak. So that's where a lot of tourists are. So Seminyak, Kuta, and Obu, those places that I've just mentioned, they are all like touristy locations. So yeah, I hope I have showed you around. This is the exit door. This is where I've entered from before. So this is the exit or the entry. I'll open the door and show you how it looks around that side. Okay, it looks with the key. I haven't got the key, but I will show you on a different video. So there's just 2 more things that I forgot to show you about this villa. I had no idea that there was a hidden toilet in this corner here. So there's a vanity, an outdoor vanity, and the toilet, which is very unique. So there is 1 bathroom and 1 toilet.
I even had to go onto the other side to just double check to make sure there is nothing hidden that I did not see. So yeah, you see right this way, that's the exit or the entrance, and then I got that way, so that's the bathroom, I mean the extra toilet right behind me in that corner there. So it's in a very hidden location. Even though you can see the door when you enter, it's kind of a bit of a like it looks like a secret door. I had no idea that there was something. And the other thing I wanted to mention in this house that I found very unique is the ceramic floor. They're using this unique kind of ceramic that absorbs water. So in the bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, they're using it everywhere. And this is a very unique kind of tiles or ceramic. So you don't have to mop the floor. So those are the two things that I wanted to show you. But for now, I'm going to show you how this villa looks during the night. Here are all the light switches, and I'll show you what they do. Let's have a look before I end this video. I'm going to show you what these light switches do during the night to illuminate this area. Let's see what happens. Now I'm going to show you how this place looks during the night. First, I need to turn the light so you can see me. I'm going to turn the camera around. So that's how it looks during the night. It's a bit dark, but it's going to look beautiful in a minute. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So you see those light switches. This one, it says living room, which I believe it's those ones up there. Yep, that. And this one says living storage. Let's find out what it does. Let's have a look. Okay, that's up there. Okay, I didn't know what's up there. Living storage, awesome. And this one, it says living planters. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, very nice. Look at those lights along the wall there. Very beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna continue pressing more light switches. This one says garden. I'm gonna press one of them first. Oh yep, that put those two lights on, and two at the back behind the pool there. Wow, amazing. And this one over here says pool. We press one light to come on inside the pool. Oh, yep, and the rest comes right along the wall. Okay, awesome. So yeah, this is how this place looks during the night. Just wanted to show you how it looks during the night. I've been doing a lot of editing actually. I've got my pizza there and my laptop. Funny how my laptop and the pizza box they look the same. So yeah, that's how it looks. So the kitchen, there's not really that much changes during the night in the kitchen, and we've got, like I've showed you earlier, the pantry there. There's not really, and the fridge is inside there. So let's go have a look how the bathroom looks during the night. The bedroom is in there. Wow, look at the pool. Look at this. Wow, beautiful. Look at those blue lights along the wall there. Look at the living area. It looks amazing during the night when you switch on all the lights. I think I'm gonna leave the lights on when I go to sleep. Let's have a look at the bathroom. So the bathroom is right here. You can see through these weird looking windows, and the shower is there. I'm gonna go inside to give you a better look. So yep, that's how it looks. This is our jacuzzi. It's an outdoor shower. So that's where I was earlier having a shower. Yeah, that's the toilet is straight ahead. So yeah, there you have it. Beautiful bathroom. It's an outdoor bathroom. There is no door here, so this section is not covered by any door. Yeah, just wanted to show you how this villa looks during the night. I hope you have enjoyed it. So yeah, there you have it. Leave a comment if you're interested to know about anything else. The location is Seminyak. The price is about 1,600 Australian dollars. So yeah, like I said before, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe, leave a comment if you have enjoyed it. And yeah, so that way I will know that all my viewers are watching my videos, enjoying my videos. So if you like it, if you subscribing is very important. It does me a very big favor, and it just allows me to create more beautiful content like this one for you guys. So but if you don't subscribe, I wouldn't know that my viewers are enjoying. So it's very important to subscribe to my videos, and yeah, and I will continue creating beautiful content for you, for all my viewers. So but for now, I'm gonna turn off this video. I'm gonna be shooting more videos around Bali, so do stay tuned, do follow me, do subscribe, so you know what I'm up to, and I'll bring you more beautiful content. But for now, I love you all. Peace out.